Welcome to the iLearn tutorial for creating exam exceptions. Exceptions can be used to accommodate students with special needs, such as longer time, makeup exam after due date, and failed submission by due date. You can create an exception for individual students, or if there are multiple students who require the same exception, you can create a group. To begin, go to the course site for which the exam is in. Click on the Tests and Quizzes tool in the left menu. You will be presented with a list of your available tests and quizzes. Click on the Actions drop-down menu and click Settings. You can add exceptions under the Exceptions to Time Limit and Delivery Date. To create an exception for an individual student, under Exception for User, select the student that you would like to create an exception for. If you would like to create the same exception for multiple students, you can use a group. Under Exception for Group, select the group name for which the exam is designed. For information on how to create a group, please view our Creating Groups video. After selecting who the exception is for, you can select the available date and due date, time limit, and if late submissions are accepted. Please review the additional information at the bottom of the section before adding the exception. Once you are satisfied with the exception, click Add an Exception. The exception will then be listed in the Existing Exceptions section where you will be able to edit or delete it. Once you are satisfied, click Save. The exam will now have the exception associated with it.